Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply for a job on Upwork, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, and then if you see a job that you are interested in, then click on the job's name. And after that, you will see all the necessary information about the job. So if you are still interested, then click on the submit a proposal. And first you can see the proposal settings. This proposal requires two connects. So if you do not know which are connects, then click on that question mark icon. So this is the number of connects that will be deducted from your balance when you submit a proposal. When you submit this proposal, you will have 48 connects remaining. All right. After that, your general profile will be submitted with this proposal. If you like to submit proposals with customized skill, rates, and experience, create a specialized profile. And if you want that, then click on that icon, that link with green. And here, if you scroll down, you will be able to see your missing parts from your profile and you can edit them, and then you will see the job details, the terms, the client's budget, what is the rate you would like to bid for this job. Here you have to type in the amount. You can see the Upwork service fee, and you will see that you will receive $4, for example, if one dollars is for Upwork service, and it depends on your rate for this job or your proposal for this job. Okay, how long will this project take? You can select more than 6 months, 3 to 6, 1 to 3 months, and less than a month. And additional details, you can add a cover letter, you can attach a file, and then boost your proposal, which is optional. So there are three promoted spaces at the top of the client's proposal list. Use connects to bid for a chance get in one of those spaces. So you can boost your proposal. This cost more connects, but then you will have a bigger chance to get this job. And after that, click on the send for two connects, and then your proposal will be submitted to that person. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.